Welcome to your first day on the job. This is your very own autopilot.
Oh my god.
Where you
There's a lot of
sleep for the duration of your
different
contract.
kinds of sucking motions. That would be nice, but getting sucked out's not
Make
very
yourself
nice.
at home. To complete
This
the
one?
onboarding
I
process,
said getting sucked
you
out's
will
not
want to
very
check
good,
the
you
instruction
know.
manual and sign into your ship's
It's
computer.
not like getting sucked off, you
We
know. I'm
trust
just
you will be
saying.
a great asset.
Dubby.
Great asset. to the company.
Shame.
Great
Shame.
Shame my finger. Shame.
Shame your finger. Flashlight.
Flashlight.
What? Okay, let's go.
You guys are not
Let's get
in
to beehives.
uniform.
If
Service
you're not
uniform.
meeting up in
Sir?
uniform, you're gonna get kicked out.
Uniform. Uniform.
T-shirt color wisely, man.
Uniform. Caroline, go towards the light.
Like from this ship, dude.
Really long hallway.
Hey, what, man? I'm spoiled. Like,
Yee.
I'm not doing it.
Okay.
I know I would die.
Alrighty.
Oh, well, there's a bracket.
Fucking worthless. Sheet metal. Oh, where do we go? Alright. Ooh, God, I didn't think I was gonna make that.
Oh god.
Oh, the locker right there. I think.
Did you guys find anything, Dubby?
I found something.
I found the fire exit.
Oh.
It was empty. Damn.
There's a fish.
Fish. Okay.
Oh, there's a gear over there.
Yeah, I'm back!
We died.
Oh my god. We're Dubby. Are you grabbing that gear?
Oh, yeah. In the room on the left, there's a snare flea.
Is that a monster?
Yes.
Oh, it's snare flea. Okay.
Hi, sir.
We don't have anything to protect
Gotta be
us.
fucking kidding me.
We got you.
Wait, can you
Good
send?
one.
Yeah,
Oh,
perfect.
what?
Mine.
Oh.
Jesus Christ. I wasn't where I was going.
Mm.
No.
Huh.
Are
Do you
you?
want to grab one of these? Yep.
Sure.
What is that?
Something you need to run from. Oh, Bracken behind him.
And a thump.
Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Yep, I'm not going there. I guess Patui is gonna be dead.
Sounds like there's a TV on.
Yeah, no, I know, but she went that way.
Join our heroes on another episode.
Well, it's late.
journey.
I'm sure we got in a bunch of shit, so let's just stay in the ship.
What can you help with?
Unless, I'm not the beehive man.
That's my
hasn't
job.
worked out well for me.
Adrian, stay in his lane.
Maybe service will help.
might have a.
Dubby and Cerberus
Wants to
are
get a
there.
beehive.
Yeah,
I
I need to help
can
with the
beehive.
beehive.
Should I get it and you?
The
Good. I mean,
I'll be the
queen
bait, I
beehive team
guess.
to the left.
Beehive team, yay!
We have faith in you.
you can do it. Woo! Oh my god, I see the
Cerberus
lightning. I don't
Hello?
think so.
He's not moving.
Bye.
Oh my god!
I should have never seen anything like that.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Okay, just go, just go.
Adrian, take off.
He fell down. Oh my god!
We're all dead. Just go.
Except Quasar. Oh no,
He,
yeah, we're all...
he dead too.
That's right, but the ship.
Sorry, but dude, that was funny as hell.
I saw.
my gosh.
I turned around just in time to see myself in the mouth.
I didn't even hear it.
Oh.
Oh gosh.
That son of a bitch came out of the ground.
Damn. God.
Oh,
Well, that
my
dog
God.
ruined all the fun.
Yeah, I know.
That's right here. Now on. Not going
Oh,
anywhere.
my
Dude,
God.
I didn't hear him until he was on the ship.
I didn't hear him until you attacked the tweez ass.
Scared the shit out of me.
What are you bunking me for?
Okay.
You guys
Yeah,
were trying to
let
be
me
quiet
out,
for the
let me
dog,
out.
but I'm like, I must be the only one alive.
Let me out!
She got
My
problems.
Cerberus shouldn't have farted. Shouldn't have farted, Cerberus.
Yeah, but I
What'd you say, Adrian?
said I didn't want to patooey you guys.
Hey! Come
I'm
on.
just
But then he's like, don't you verb me!
Dubby. Oh, look, that's my flashlight.
Yep. Merry Christmas.
Because I got killed right at the door, huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
That was nice.
Yeah. It's nice of that dog just to leave your flashlight there for you, you know.
Fucking dog.
Fucking dog. What on earth is going on?
Oh god, you scared me.
I have a key.
Hi. You got a key? Unlock the door then.
How to use? There we go.
Somebody's texting.
That's me.
Oh.
Are you texting mine? Your boss.
This is like an endless loop of the same thing. Oh my gosh.
Yep.
Dubby, we're stuck in here.
Yeah. This is near the entrance. Can't find shit. Hey, there's a loot bug over there.
What? Lit up.
Like, yippee!
Hi, Tara.
Ow! Ow! Damn it!
Got them bugs.
I'm not.
Fucking dead end. It's nothing over here but a loot bug. Fucking seriously.
Hey, Lupa, did you just, oh man?
It's just taking a nap.
Just taking a nap. Oh, there you go.
I think it's over here.
Wait, honey, let me use my ultimate
I
trust
think
skill.
this is the way, yeah.
Oh, guys, come over here.
Come on, come on.
Where's
See,
the-
I did it. I found a way out. See?
Yeah, you did everything, right?
But I'm looking for the fire
You
exit.
found Jack shit service.
I take only credit for that.
What's up,
I
Subway?
saved that.
Is there anything in here? Alright.
No beehives?
No beehives.
No beehive?
No beehives.
Oh man.
There.
My name.
So,
So many bones.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah.
Pew, pew.
my
I wish you
God.
guys could see what I see, because one of Cream's knees is bending the wrong way.
Oh no, I see that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I don't see it. Yeah.
Earlier, and I was like, "What's up?"
Where is this?
March.
Oh, March.
Drink for
Service.
Yeah.
Abby? I need you guys. Click the green button. You can like smash it.
Oh, okay.
Spam it.
Give me a found Patootie.
Yes. Cream's hat scared the
What?
when she was coming around. I thought she was a monster.
Oh.
I just saw this glowing hat.
She was just trying to tell you happy birthday.
Yeah.
Sabo was gonna join us.
Sabo was going to join us.
Oh,
And
Bracken.
I don't scare. You don't scare.
Oh god.
Hey, just good
Almost
burger.
ran into it.
all right, you guys go on back in and get stuff. I'll just run this to the ship.
Where's the fire exit?
Oh my god. I tried to get Server's body back and the Bracken did not like that. I was trying to get his body back, but the Bracken did not like me doing that. So, here we go. Let's put him outside. Okay. Guys?
Nothing here, nothing here, nothing here.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Yeah. That Bracken is not leaving us alone.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna go downstairs.
I'm watching our back.
I'm just gonna go downstairs. There's nothing down here.
I'm watching our back. Run! Okay, we'll go to the fire exit right now. Man.
There's a fire
At
exit.
least we got his body's back.
Mm,
He's over here somewhere.
Cerberus just had to antagonize the Bracken. I don't know why he has to do that.
Yeah. Oh, there it is. Is it on this side? Or it's on the other side?
I think it's in the front here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah, it's
so
down there.
far away though.
Hey, Cream,
What's up?
you want to take Cerberus's body back to the ship?
Sure.
Or do you want me to?
My headset. Okay, alright.
Okay, just tell me.
Strong.
You
You can
could
take
just
him.
told me you don't want to carry him. That's fine. Let's see here. The ship should be over here. Oh fuck! Oh fuck!
Oh.
Oh fuck!
Oh, I did not see that either.
Yeah, neither did I.
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah.
Beehive?
Yeah.
There was something out
Yeah.
there on the ground. Was there?
Yeah. Yeah.
What was it? Yeah. I
Yeah.
don't know. Well, it was.
Yeah.
Beehive?
Yeah.
No, it was, I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
But he walked by. Why does everything look like it's
Yeah.
something out there?
It was probably a beehive.
Should we do the beehive now, Dubby?
Yeah.
Ding.
Okay.
You
So-
ready to run?
Yeah, I'm ready to rock. Let's do it. Go, go. Go, go, go. Run, run, run.
It's done. Should we get his
You dead?
body?
No, don't get my body.
No, I
You did
think,
a good
Well, maybe
job.
when the
Okay.
nah, better leave him
Thanks,
the
buddies.
knees on.
Thank you for your sacrifice of me. You meant the world to me.
Oh.
Everything for
What is that noise?
With this one?
Yeah.
All right, sad boy, you gonna try to?